Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious cheese and onion loaf for the very first time. I was so excited for this one because I love anything cheese and oh, it felt like home. So let's get right into this video. Firstly, with the onions, frying it until it's slightly a little bit golden brown, and we're gonna put it to the side. Next, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar or white sugar depending on your preference. Stir everything together finely. And then we are adding 1 packet of instant dry yeast, about 275 milliliters of water, and starting to mix that all together. Right now I'm adding 30 milliliters of oil, and then I'm going to start mixing everything together. Then I added more flour, almost a handful, because the dough was slightly sticky. So I wanted to create a softer dough, so I added more flour so that I can mix everything together properly. And I was busy mixing until I had a firm, softer bread dough all together. Next, I added cheese in the mixer. Everything, the cheese in the dough, and I had a good, beautiful dough at the end. Next, I raised the dough for 25 minutes with my homemade technique, whereby the hot water is underneath the rack and then you have the dough on top. The dough has raised now, and now I'm about to glaze the bowl so that everything will be properly glazed for the dough to be fitted within the bowl. Then I will be putting in the cheese, mixing the cheese and the dough together so that I have a lovely dough in a glazed bowl, together with the cheese, of course. For more educational videos like this, step-by-step videos like this, don't forget to subscribe so that you can be up to date with all the latest videos which I will be posting. Thank you, appreciate. The bread dough is now going to be placed within the bowl, and I'm going to allow it to raise again for another 25 minutes with the same technique that I did in the first proofing. This is the second proofing now. Look at the beautiful bread dough that has raised. Now I'm going to top it off with some cheese and some onions, and it's going to bake for about an hour and 5 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Here you go. This is the final results, you guys. The cheese and onion loaf was so delicious. It was very like, oh, I love cheese, so it was like a whole cheesy goodness, and it was very soft and very delicate. It was a lovely cheese loaf, and for the very first time I was very excited and so proud of myself. I completely loved eating and trying this new type of bread, and I just want to say thank you so much as well for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. See you.